Hello everyone, in this video I'll walk you through what to do when encountering the following error. Fail to fill batch Java IO end of file exception. Chunk stream does not exist. Page is marked free. The full error in the container log will look similar to this and the page number can vary. The error indicates problems with the Kaha DB and possible corruption. On a molecule, each node has its own Kaha DB, which can be found under the atom install directory /q/node/activemq/kaha-db. The corruption could have been caused by a number of reasons, like failure to write to disk, running out of space, or a bug in ActiveMQ. In the kaha-db directory for a given node, 4 files typically exist. db.log. This file is the journal file and initializes to 32 megabytes. db.data. This file is used for the message store, and db.redo, also used for the message store, and the lock file. The first troubleshooting step would be to reboot the server or node. Sometimes that's enough for the KahaDB to restore itself. If the issue persists, try rebuilding the KahaDB on the node of the molecule whose container file contained the error. In order to rebuild the DB, perform the following. 1. Shut down the JVM on the affected molecule node. 2. Back up these files, then delete db.data and db.redo files from the directory. 3. Restart the node. And 4. The atom will recreate these files from the existing journal.log file. And that's all, and have a great day. Goodbye.